Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we're going to be demoing the floor. We're going to be pulling up all the tile, all the cement board, and basically just going hog wild with the roto hammer. The roto hammer I'm using is a Bosch Bulldog Max SDS Plus, and the bit is a Milwaukee 6" by 3" tile chisel. Later on in the video we'll pull up the shower pan and you'll get to see just how waterlogged it is. This demo taking place right now is over a month after we stopped using the shower. All right, ready?
No. No.
Oh, you get my knee pads?
Where are they?
Downstairs in the pile of shit, yeah.
Alright. Should I get some too?
When they did the tile,
Yeah.
they didn't push them down very much.
So the ridges are still pristine.
You matter.
It's crazy how much dust this demo process kicks up. Right outside the door, we have two of those large Honeywell HEPA filters running in turbo mode, and we have to clean the filters off constantly, even though we keep this door shut. As you can see, the roto hammer with the tile chisel makes short work of the tile and the cement board. The only things that really slow this process down are hitting screws that hold the cement board to the subfloor and getting the debris out of the way and hauling it downstairs.
Look at this stupid screw pattern, man.
Oh
Pain in my ass.
With the 6 screws within 3 inches of each other?
Yeah, and whenever you hit a screw with the roto hammer, it just stops.
Yep. Alright. Am I good to do this row?
No, I'd finish this.
Alright.
Get wrecked. No.
But
What's that for?
thought you said you wanted a hex.
No.
Oh.
Wow. Destroyed a bit.
Piece of shit screws. Never seen a round bit before. Think we've reached the limit of the trash can.
Alright, we'll use bags. it good or bad?
Pretty rounded off.
Alright, toss it.
We need to go get another pack of Robbies.
I got one.
At least they only use one type of screw.
Yep. You put a handprint on me.
What? That sounds like something I would do.
Yep.
But you have no evidence of it. Till you review the footage. You missed like 6 over here.
Huh?
There's 2 right there.
I knew. About time to pull the toilet.
Yeah.
Get everything switched. Camera wise so that we're pointing over here now.
You want to take this opportunity to grab a quick smoothie? So that we don't have to stop later?
Yeah. Blame the berry.
No.
Yes.
No.
Blame the berry.
No.
Always blame the berry.
Kiss my butt. For any DIYers out there who want to put one of these things in behind the toilet that requires you to disassemble them behind the toilet. When did you decide to be an asshole?
Oh.
Oh, that nasty.
Yep.
Oh, God.
What happens when you suck out the water from the P-trap?
Oh, this is why straps are illegal. Oh.
Yeah. Oops. You grab the water line with channel locks?
Where are the channel locks?
Never mind.
Do you know how tempting it is to touch the butt right now?
Yeah.
Your hands are dizzy. You have no defense.
Go get me some gloves. Latex. The...
Nitrile?
whatever the f*** they're called, yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so what's gonna happen is when I pull the toilet bowl up, it's gonna expose the toilet flange,
Okay.
which is gonna have a wax ring on it, which is gonna look disgusting. Probably gonna smell disgusting.
So I should blow up.
You should have an enormous wad of paper towels ready to go. And then, well, there's a roll right here. And we gotta clean up the pipe well enough, the outside of it, so that we can shove some paper towels in there and put tape over it to completely seal it off. Does that make sense?
I think so.
Not as bad as I thought it would be.
Where is this wax ring you were talking about?
Is it on the bottom of the toilet? Yeah, it's there. Okay, so that came up a little easier. Well, this still has to be cleaned.
Yeah.
And these bolts, don't lose these flange bolts.
We're not saving any of the trim, right?
What's that?
We're not saving this.
No.
Are we gonna be able to get that back out eventually?
Yeah. Alright, the worst is over.
I think the worst was when you emptied the pee tray.
Woo!
That nasty.
Do we donate this toilet or throw it away?
Still functional, right?
Yeah, it's still functional. And it was recently rebuilt, so.
Yeah. If it's still working, we can find somebody who could use it.
Alright. I left the last bit of tile for you to roto.
Oh. Hammer time.
Easy.
Imagine how long this would have taken with a chisel.
Oh, the hammer and chisel this would have taken.
Days.
It would take a long time. You missed.
Only a little. Do you need me to pull while you?
Whoa!
I help.
Yeah. Unfortunately, this piece of subfloor, the most critical one,
Yeah.
this is bearing on it. This is bearing on it. This is bearing on it.
So these walls are forfeit.
Well, that would add time, and I'm not sure we'd gain much. So we're just gonna have to cut the subfloor up.
In sections. Yeah.
Which is fine. The f is that? Square. Robbie.
Really?
Hammer. Stupid ass cast iron drain. Ooh, water.
Water?
Yeah. You're in the way.
Sorry. There's still water in there?
Yep, vacuum. Get that water up.
Yeah, these are some lemons.
So the shower pan did completely fail, as we know.
Good God. It's still dripping.
Yep, and it's water soaked.
Jesus. Good God.
Yep.
It's been at least a month since we've run that shower.
Yep. That's a lot of mold. Will this fit in the contractor bag?
Ugly, but it will fit.
The damn adhesive is sticking.
Improvise. Adapt. Overcome. Thanks, overcome.
Get that water.
Yep.
Did you smell that when we,
Oh yeah, the rampant mold.
that's a smell we've been smelling in here ever since we opened up this wall.
Suddenly occurs to me, we still have that open hole.
Yep.
Should I go put something on the counter to catch all this stuff?
Well, I can see a bunch of shit in there.
Ah, well. In for a penny, in for a pound.
Again?
Dude, it bounced off this water pipe and I caught it.
Vacuum.
I was securing your battery so it doesn't fall again. I really wanna know.
Huh?
Does it stay or does it go?
Oh, it's definitely going.
So we don't need to chip off all this mortar?
We gotta find the screws.
Yay.
They'll be along the joist. God, you are much more patient than I.
That's good. Can you imagine both of us impatient?
Yeah, f that.
Victory! Did you know that this contains products known to the state of California to cause cancer?
Was that Prop 65 or whatever the hell?
I don't know.
It's the stupidest thing.
Careful. Bitching about Prop 65 probably gets you cancer
Is
too.
that all?
It does indeed appear to go down that joist.
Well, not only that, it goes to 2 inches.
Oh, yeah, right here. So go 1.5 to 2 right there. So for the first time this project, we might have lucked out.
We're referring to the fact that the shower trap arm increases from 1.5 inches to 2 inches before it hits the Y. At first glance, that seems good, but it actually doesn't matter because we're going to have to move the position of the shower drain anyways.
I know why that hole's there. That hole's there because that's dead center in this space.
Old bathroom.
No, before they probably decided to add the bench after.
Okay, so this was for the original full shower, and then they added the bench and had to scoot it over 6
Yeah.
inches? Half the width of the bench?
It's still a problem though,
Yeah.
because where they cut into the joist, you're supposed to only put a hole in the middle third.
But they put it right at the very top.
It's right near the top. And generally, wood is weaker in compression than it is in tension, so it'll fail in compression first.
Which is at the top of any joist.
Right.
So they drilled it in the worst possible place.
Yeah.
Well, they're consistent, I'll give them that. Is that your watch?
Yeah, it keeps fucking triggering the SOS.
Don't fall in. Think the kitties can hear us?
GB, yeah, probably.
Argon's probably down there like, huh, I didn't realize the house had a massage mode.
So tomorrow, we know we gotta cut this. There's no way to get around it, so we're gonna cut this all the way until it hits the Y.
Say it, Siffy.
Yeah, that was... And we got the whole floor up in one stint.
Roto hammers are awesome.
Oh yeah. Very funny.
Ah! I always got your back.
Very funny.
All in all, this day of demo was pretty straightforward. The next video is going to be probably much shorter because we're just cutting the subfloor and taking a look at the plumbing. I'm a few weeks behind in editing these videos, so as of tomorrow we're actually pulling the plumbing and electrical permits, and we're about ready to start putting this bathroom back together. As always, thanks for watching. Hope to catch you on the next one.